Welcome back, guys. Today I am going to show you a second video on Atlas because in the previous video I have shown you about the total cycle that we have activated and it's time to claim the reward for it. So first I want to share the link in video description if you are thinking to join this ecosystem, Atlas ecosystem, and we will also discuss the later about their cycles too. But first of all, I want to show you what we are going to claim here. First, we come into the sports cycle, and here is also the claim option that you can easily check out here. And there is also the claim, and time has been completed because I have already opened it for 5 days. So here is also the time mentioned when it have been started and when it is going to end. And we are going to click on the claim assistant, and there is also what we are going to claim instead of like $1 and $2. There is platform fee that is 0%, and we are going to click on the claim, and our wallet will be okay and it will be open here. So I am going to open my MetaMask. In that I have already using it, so I am going to click on the confirm option, and here once the transaction will be submitted, I will show you live balance that you can also check out fund received successfully in my wallet. And in this way, you can also check out successfully, and it is also going to be refreshed. So once it will be done, you will check out the total balance to like $104. And there is also my total balance that has been updated now. So in this way, you can easily come here. Further, I come back and I'll show you on the dashboard that one active that have been completed in the history. You can easily check out. There is the completed cycle that we have even claimed, and we have already get that because it has already claimed. And I am going to refreshing it. So once it will be done, then you can easily come here and complete your cycle. There is also the other option that expected assistant with such a reward that we have claimed now. In this way, you can also get your record here because your data. So in this way, I have shown you like that how we can easily get the reward. And here is Atlas webinar and more live stream are upcoming very soon. So you can also invite your friends to here. You have also the other option. If you come in the provide cycle, then there are different plans that you're going to choose. For 1 day, there is 0.3% reward to momentum for 5 days. For 2% reward, and there is premier for 5% that we have already activated is momentum, and I have shown you how to claim the reward too. It is also the Imperium and many other. So you can start with just minimum $10 and maximum whatever you want. If you want to know further information in their white paper, all the details, even their cycle information have been mentioned. So be ready to join and get all the information here because there are many partners who are behind this project with such trying to making it successful, and global level people can easily get some reward. Further, you can come on the website, and this is the website where you can check out. There are also all the data available that you should need to know, and I have shown you live that what reward we have claimed on such a platform. And there is also the activated that have been completed cycle with also received to the wallet have been done. And in this way, you can easily check the operation history. Yes, there is also like completed cycle have been given. So in this way, you can easily come on the dashboard to understand. And as such, platform operation are user friendly in a transparent ecosystem. Link in video description. If you think that you have any question, you can ask in our comment box too. For more latest update and news alerts, you can easily come and follow them on their official Twitter. Because like here 11 minutes ago, they are going to introducing 200-day cycle where you can see daily flow. It is also available when you come in this section. And here is also 2 option daily flow assistant. And there is also the core for 200 days and 1.1% for daily base reward. And if you are going to choose like 1000, then here is also for 200 days, you are going to get 1200 reward. And daily your reward will be 11 So this is also the update that is possible to get all the official on their official Twitter. If you want to discuss with them, their team is available on their Telegram too. I hope you understand everything about the Atlas ecosystem. If you have any question, you can drop thoughts. See you next. Till then, take care.